This is the DJM two-wheeled wheelbarrow. Inside your box you'll have your drum, two wheels, handle, wheel brace, your frame, brace supports, 6 long bolts, 2 smaller bolts, some washers and clips to fasten the wheels, and you'll need flat-headed screwdriver and 14mm spanner. Right, we'll start with the assembly of the frame. You've got your 2 supports here and your wheel brace. We're using 2 of the longer bolts from the pack. Just doing everything finger tight. Next step, we're going to put the handle on and the brace support for the frame. We're going to use the smaller bolts for the brace support. Again, just do it finger tight. On this part we're not going to put the bolts in just as yet because that'll be on the next step. Next, just lie your frame back and we're going to put the drum on. Just align the O's. I'm going to use the last 4 long bolts. Fiddle a bit. And your drum's attached. Last part now, the wheels. Put your wheel brace through. A washer on each side. Put a wheel through. Put one of your pins through the wheels. And bend it back. The pin through. and bend it back. And that's your DJM two-wheeled wheelbarrow.